Hi guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Air, the 15-inch M4 2025, and you can see the chip is M4 16 gigabyte, the RAM, and the storage is 512 gigabyte. And you can see the battery information, the battery cycle count 2 times, and the battery capacity is 100%. And let me show you the graphics, the GPU 10 cores, and the CPU also 10 cores for performance, 6 efficiency. Okay, and this is the CPU, this is the GPU. Okay, and you can see this midnight color. You can see the keyboard, the brand new keyboard, only the cycle count only 2 times. No scratches here. No scratches. The trackpad, no problem. Okay, the smooth trackpad. Here's a little bit of dirty here. Okay, a little bit of dirty. And let me show you the logo surface. You can see the shining logo. Okay, no problem. And no scratches. No scratches. Okay, and let me show you the back. You can see no scratches in the back, no dents, no dents, and no scratches. Okay, let me show you the charging ports. You can see the brand new charging ports. Okay, the brand new, no problem. And let me show you the other side. No scratches. Okay, perfect. Only 2 times cycle count. Okay, let me show you the 15-inch display. Okay, let me change the wallpaper. And let me change the gray color. Okay, now you can see the gray color, no problem. No problem. No problem, the color. The display is okay. And let me change the bright gray. Okay, no problem. No backlight, no dark bright, no bright spots, no dark spots. Okay, no problem. And let me change the red color. Red color, also no problem. This is a beautiful machine. Let me show you the backlight, the keyboard backlight. Okay, no problem. The backlight is okay. And if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, see you in the next video.